What is up YouTube? This is Mayank Sharma from Virtual Trading. Today it's been quite late for me to record this video as I was busy in a royal session that went on longer than I was planning to. So in this video, let's say that how we tackled today when markets went opposite to us, how we treated the mentees, right? How we treated the mentees, the type of trade and risk which our mentees took. Also the view for tomorrow, the monthly expiry, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. So as soon as market opened, our this mentee he booked 14% return on investment, and he was done for the day. See, this is what differentiates successful traders than losing traders. They know their days. He already at 9:30 said, "I'm not confident for today. I will not trade for today." This is how you become disciplined and consistent, right? So if you made 14% ROI for the day, absolutely monster trade, monster ROI. Um, because banks and other financial institutions they give you like 5%, 6% per annum. Our mentees are making 10, 10, 14, 14, even 30% ROI in a single day, right? And let's have a look. And this one of our mentees was able to capture 1:14 risk reward trade, and this trade later went on to give 1:33 risk reward, which I didn't put here because I was otherwise occupied. So he took a trade worth 1:14 risk reward. He is risking 1 rupees to make 14 rupees. If his accuracy is even less than 30%, he will make money. This is what the importance of risk to reward ratios are. If you want to trade such trades by yourself, then you know how to approaches, right? So this is how. And if you see bank nifty, these were our algorithmic levels for the bank nifty. The algorithmic levels for the bank nifty went like anything. Bank nifty was able to achieve our targets, right? But as I told you, I was not looking to particularly go long. We did take some scalp trades, which I will just go on in a bit. So we are able to take some scalps with our mentees. We are predicting candles here before even the candles are being made. This is how, this is the precision that we trade with. And this is one of the most important thing, that trailing technique that I taught you. This is available on our free Telegram community. So if you have not already joined this community, kindly join this. It is already having 1045 subscribers, and I am very grateful to all of you who made this possible. This is a dream come true. Kindly join this, and you will find this learning post where I taught you how to trail your profits for bigger profits and very less risk. Right? You are not to trade on basis of crossovers. You will use this method only when you are in a trade and you are trailing your profits. And this is how our mentees are able to predict the market exact points and how markets behaved. And I told him, proud papa moment. Yes, we are very proud of our mentees. This is what I was talking to you about yesterday night. I told you that as option buyers you need to work on your precision, your directional bias, your skills, your execution, and compound small gains, percentage wise good gains to make huge money. This is a small account. We started with 15k. 15k. This account was started with just rupees 15k, and it is today sitting at 36,000 rupees. That is a 140% return increase in capital, not 140% return on ROI. No, 140% increase in capital. Like if this was 1.5 lakh, this would be like 3,60,000 rupees. 140% ROI. And we were able to make 21,000 rupees with starting just rupees 15k, right? So that is what I was talking to you about. If you have skills, need to know the importance of risk to reward ratios to gain such skills. If trading, capital will never be an issue for you if you have such skills, right? If you have such skills. And this is what we are all about, right? So this is what I was talking about in last night. All you need is precision and magic of high risk reward. Yes, magic of high risk reward. Risk to reward ratios are the only holy grail you need in trading. Nothing else is required. You need to have a consistent huge risk to reward trade, and you are set for life. And this is the shot I was able to update in the community, and we were able to capture 110 plus points in less than 5 minutes, right? And this is what I gave you. This is the voice note that I put here. And if you want to learn how to catch the tops and bottoms daily, then get in touch with us, and we'll get you started on your journey to profitability and consistency, so that you can take trades like us with huge risk reward, like 1:10, 1:15, 1:25. if this is a risk reward you want to take trades with, you are welcome to trade with us. And we trade live with our mentees. We trade live with our mentees. Each and every movement that market is about to make, according to us, is shared with our mentees. Like our plans, everything is shared with our mentees. So if that is something, if this is a skill that you want to learn, if you really want to become a profitable trader, if you want to change your trading style and your life, then do get in touch with us. We'll get you started as soon as possible. And we already are providing EMIs even without credit cards. We are willing to take that risk just so you can learn. If we can do this for you, why can't you invest on yourself, right? Just have a think about it. So this is the EMIs, and you don't have to have a credit card for this. We are taking the risk. You just pay part payments, you learn and earn with us, and then you pay, right? Within the consecutive months. And we were able to book a profit of 1.6 lakhs within 15 minutes of market open. This is the same story that we put, right? 1.6 lakhs a day keeps 9 to 5 away. And this is the trade that we are able to take. And this trade, this is a, I approximately think, capital increase by over 80 to 90%. That this is a 80 to 90% return on investment. You can check out this, right? You can check out this. 200 and approximately 400, yes. 1.6 lakhs. You can find this story even on our Instagram page. You will find that link to the Instagram page in the description. Kindly check that out. And this is what we are all about. You don't need to work, you don't need to trade a full day. You need to know when to hit the hammer hard, and then you will be able to gain such amount too, right? And don't get impressed by the big numbers. Big numbers is just quantity game. Get impressed by the skill to catch bottoms and tops, right? So if you want to learn this, then you are welcome to join us. We provide a mentorship. We have a mentorship program, but we are only taking a limited number of students. So get inside before the community packs up, right? So that you don't have to wait another 1 to 2 months before enrolling. And if by some time, see, because of a huge number of mentees or and everyone texting us, I'm not able to reply to each and every one of you. Sometimes I miss some text. So if that is the case and you have a query related to mentorship, you can either text our senior partner Modi Trades, or you can download our application and chat and communicate your queries to us via our application, so that our back team will support you and guide you what to do, how to start, and we'll get you started. This is the link for our application. Kindly download this application. We are going to provide a lot of free stuff even on our free telegram community and our application, right? Kindly download this application. A lot of value is coming your way. You will find the link to this application in the description. And this was the royal session that I was taking, because of which I got late today a bit. So let's read the review. Just had my second session with Mayank sir. As always, he conducts the session completely as per our needs and understanding. He spent more than hour in clarifying any doubts regarding the topics covered in the first session. And then we moved on to the other concept. Now I am able to slowly understand how a bias can be formed and trades can be initiated even before conventional price action like your so-called smart money, US, OB, etc. even starts to begin. So looking forward to learn from the team, right? So this is what I call you the Royals is Royals for a reason, right? Not something, not work of, not any conventional method, just pure understanding of market algorithm. What will market do next? How will market move? What will it do next? So this kind of understanding is waiting for in our Royal program. So get in touch with us and let's get started, right? So without any further ado, let's have a look at the market tomorrow. Now I am not willing to execute any long position unless markets are sustaining above the level of 16,692. The important level for tomorrow is 16,692. These are our algorithmic levels. That is why I have marked this in blue color, because this is one of our important zone. This is one of the very important zones. If markets are able to sustain above the 16,692, then we may test the areas of 16,732 and 16,781 on the higher side. But my conviction for upside is not that much, because that will be very obvious, and we all know that how markets takes out retail traders by giving them obvious trades, right? So this is the level for tomorrow. But if markets are either opening gap down or sustaining below the level of 16,604, 16,604, then we may test the target of 16,534, 16,534, and this is also yet another very important zone. Below this level, we may see a panic sell off to the level of 16,484. and 16,428. This is the view for Nifty tomorrow. Kindly note down these levels. We are, if market sustains between this range, it will be damn volatile, and I'm expecting tomorrow's expiry to be a little bit on the range boundish side, because we all know that market has already moved too much. Market has been too volatile. Market has given money even to buyers and sellers both. So the tomorrow's chance is for option sellers to make their premiums zero. So I am expecting a little bit of a sideways or a range bound expiry. So option sellers can make use of that. But if market stays above this, then we may get a trendy move, and if it stays below the level of 6,604, then we may see a trendy move to the downside. Yes, this is the level for Nifty. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, the range is pretty huge. The range for Bank Nifty is pretty huge. These are our important algorithmic levels, right? So let me just mark this off for you. I'm sorry. Yeah. If Bank Nifty is sustaining up the level of 36,927, then we may test the target of 37,061, and this is kind of my ultimate target. I'm not actually looking to trade Bank Nifty to the bullish side tomorrow. We'll see how it proceeds, and we'll keep you updated in the live market, as I was guiding you today in live market. So this is our free Telegram community. We'll guide you here for free, so that you don't sit on the wrong side of the market. I try to, guide you as much as possible along with my mentees. So kindly join this. It will help you a lot in not being wrong in the market, and eventually be able to make good amount of money, right? So kindly join this free Telegram community. The link is in the description below. So if Bank Nifty is sustaining of the level of 36,927, we may see the target of 37,061. If Bank Nifty is either opening or sustaining below the level of 36,653, remember the level 36,653, then we may see a quick sell off. We may see a quick sell off till the level of 36,507, 36,318, and 36,137. Right. So this is the view for markets tomorrow. Don't be biased today. Today, one of my fatal error was to become biased, but we were able to capture good momentum. Even with our mentees, we were able to book some good amount of profits, even while being a little bit off on the market. So this is what risk rewards are all about, right? Risk reward is the only holy grail you will ever need to trade, right? So I'll see you in the market tomorrow. I'll guide you. I will try to give you some hero zero, some nice expiry trades. So for that, be tuned and join this channel. Don't forget this. And if you like our efforts, if you like our dedication, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and we will get you in that community, and we will make you profitable and consistent. This is my word, and you can count on it, right? So with this beautiful thought, I am bidding you a good night, and I will see you in the markets tomorrow.